How to copy and paste in Roblox Chat on PC. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I'll show you how you can copy and paste text into the Roblox Chat on your PC. It's a fast and simple process, so follow the simple steps. You can paste almost anything into the chat except images. So this includes large amounts of text and even emojis. And here's how you can do that. Open your Roblox on your PC, log into your account, and after that, find the game that you'd like to play. Tap on the play button, and this will open the Roblox game. Now, once you're inside the game, tap on the chat option in the top left corner of the screen. And here you will see the option of to chat. Click here or press key. Now go back, open a new tab, go for emojis, select the emoji that you want to send. Once you copy it, come back to Roblox, go to chat and paste it over here and tap on send. And here you can see that I have sent an emoji in the chat. I hope this helped you learn how to copy and paste in Roblox Chat on your PC. So if you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.